Hi everyone! Welcome to Daisydiyuniverse. Have you ever struggled to open a lollipop and the wrapper keeps slipping? Don't use your teeth and don't pull too hard. Try this. Hold the stick firmly, then gently twist the top of the candy. While pulling the wrapper down. In just a few seconds, the wrapper comes right off. Simple, quick, and clean. Eating cake can get messy, especially for kids. Crumbs fall everywhere, and cleaning up takes time. Just change one small habit, and your kitchen routine will become much easier. Ladies, is your closet refusing to close because of these bulky puffer jackets? Save this trick right now. Don't hang them the usual way. Just tuck both sleeves inside the jacket. Then flip it inside out, like this. See? So much neater already. Close the door and it shuts in one go. Look how much extra space you get. Save this tip and clean up your closet later. Don't hang your sweaters like this because it will create two bumps on the shoulders and ruin the shape. Let's try this instead. Let me know where you're from. I'd love to connect with people from all around the world. When flour or powder spills, we usually grab a tissue or a cloth, right? But that takes time, and it never really cleans everything. Sometimes using a cloth just makes it sticky, and it's hard to wash clean afterward. Now, still using the same piece of paper, try this trick instead. Wet one corner of the paper, just a little. Then gently wipe around the spilled powder, like this. The wet corner will trap the fine dust, so it doesn't fly everywhere. And the dry part of the paper can wipe right after to finish the job. Just like that, you can clean up powder super fast and without the mess. Wearing soft, comfy clothes feels great. But when you're doing housework, it can turn into this. So what can you do? Take a piece of paper, fold it into a small strip, just stiff enough. Place it inside the bottom of your pant leg. Then roll it up as usual. Now, you can move around freely. Do your chores as normal without worrying about getting your pants dirty. Simple, but surprisingly helpful. Is your tote bag strap too long and sometimes dragging on the ground, getting your bag dirty? Try this simple trick. All you need are 2 paper clips. Fold one side of the strap to the length you want. Then secure it with a paper clip. Make sure to hide the clip on the inside. Do the same with the other side. And that's it. Your tote bag is shorter now. And you don't have to worry about it touching the ground anymore. Simple, quick, and super practical. How do you usually store leftover cilantro after buying it? Most people just put it in a plastic bag and keep it in the fridge, but that actually makes it spoil very quickly. Try this simple method instead. First, neatly arrange the stems together. Place the cilantro in a cup of clean water, just like arranging flowers. Then put the whole cup inside a food container. And store it in the refrigerator. With this method, your cilantro will stay fresh, green, and crisp for a much longer time, ready to use whenever you need it.